This area of Liverpool is one that most of you may be familiar with. It's Walton Vale, and it's not that far away from where I live, and it's a bottleneck, to be honest. It's always rammed with traffic. It's the pedestrian crossing up ahead that I'm dealing with, and the Audi behind that we've got to watch. Because I can't clear, I'll hold back and wait behind the line. As the traffic starts to flow, I give a preventative beep, but still let the lady finish. But watch the Audi driver behind. They go and sit right over the crossing, and then gesture that I should move forward. I think I gave them a good enough example of how to do it properly. What do you think? Why do people always blame others for their own mistakes? This is a local industrial estate, and I wasn't expecting to see what me and my pupils saw.
Not sure where you were going to go, mate. What's it like? Should we go now? Go on then, big steer. Oh, it's good, isn't it? Off we go.
All I would like to know is, how do you do that much damage in a car park?
Hold on. We'll get to the end and turn right, please. What's happening around at the junction? Is there a gap coming? Yes, get first gear ready then. It's a good shout, because it's always different. You just don't know, and it worked out perfectly. Now, get on with it, go, let's get second in before we steer, and now you can concentrate on where to look. He's just going straight through the light, Mr. Taxi. Well done, and that's why you always need to have a little look both sides as you go through. Onto it?
Yeah, like glance there, I was out to slam on me.
Yeah, and honestly, you dealt with it brilliantly as well, Leon. Perfect.
As I try and help the other lorry that's emerging from the road on the left, this one behind does an overtake. Let me know your thoughts on this one. It's quite interesting for me. Should I have even bothered? Or was it the lorry driver behind that didn't read the situation correctly? Did he think I was trying to park in this space on the left? And even if he did, should he have overtaken at the junction? Let me know what you think in the comments. This clip was filmed in my Volvo rental car over Christmas. As I let the bus out, watch the Range Rover Evoque that emerges from the same junction. You can't miss them, really. They're probably trying to get back round to a parking space that's freed up. This clip wasn't filmed recently. It was actually a couple of years ago that I actually filmed this, but I thought I'd let it out so people can see the potential dangers and lack of attention that people show when they're putting makeup on. It's the grey BMW to our left that we're just passing now that we need to be watching, and it's the lady driving in particular.
finished putting the makeup on there. Sorted. Oh no, Lippy to do next. Yeah, doing a Lippy. I shouldn't laugh. That's a disgrace.
Have a look at the private hire driver on the right hand side of the screen and let me know whether you think that he went when his lights were on green. Or not.
That taxi. Yeah. Just go when you like. Of course.
We're watching a couple of van drivers in this clip. This one, in front, goes through this light. And then the next one, a little touch further up, is a little miffed at me stopping at a red light. I'm not sure why you're waving your hands at me, mate. Do you really expect me to go through that? In any case, it's giving you a bit more time now so you can pick up your phone and start using it while you're in the queue. Even though the ambulance that I'm following may be carrying patients that are medically vulnerable, I still don't think it's an excuse to go through this red light. What do you think? That's a bit close, mate. And that's even worse. So notice how I keep a bigger space in front of me and slow the lorry driver behind. I'm controlling how he slows down. Now have a look at the parking area for the shops, and although it's not strictly illegal, going through there with a big lorry isn't the best idea. Him driving over the pavement, however, is an offence. And he's not the only one who's going to do it.
More people driving over the pavement. Certainly is.
All to save them, literally, 10 seconds on their journey. Is it worth it?
How much time did that save you, buddy? Not much. And how much time did it save the wagon in front as well? Tailgating, and then driving across the pavement, going over where shops are. Could be walking out, parked cars, but then does all of that to save himself, what? 5 seconds.
Look far up ahead past the crossing to the right hand side. By those parked cars.
not survive long.
If you're still here watching this late into the video, I'd like to say a massive thanks. And if you haven't done already, if you could hit that subscribe button and like the video, that would be a big help. Keep safe, everyone. I think that was closer to green the next time round.